This video is about sun salutations. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to go over sun salutations A and sun salutations B. I will walk you through it slowly at first, and then we'll pick up the pace and move with each breath. To begin, we want to come to the short edge of the mat. We can place the feet under our hips. We can pull the pelvis in. We can engage the core, stacking the hips over the ankles, the shoulders over the hips. On the in-breath, we can bring our arms up, reach through the fingertips, bring the hands to prayer position. Exhale, engage the quadricep muscles, lift the kneecaps, fold forward, hinging from the hips, reach towards the toes. Come up halfway, lift and lengthen. Just bring the shoulder blades together. Try to lengthen the spine. Bring the shoulder blades together like you're pinching a pencil between them. Have the feet activated. Have the weight evenly distributed in the feet. Exhale, fold forward. Slowly roll yourself up, one vertebrae at a time. Bring the arms up. Bring the hands to prayer position. Exhale, just drop them down to heart center. On the in-breath, bring the arms up. Exhale, hinge from the hips, fold forward, reach towards the toes. This time we're going to hang out. We're going to engage the core, but we're just going to pedal the feet. Bend one leg as you straighten the other. Just move back and forth. Come up halfway, lift and lengthen. Just bring the hands by the knees, bring the shoulder blades together. Exhale, fold forward, reach down towards the toes. Slowly roll yourself up, one vertebrae at a time. Bring the arms up on the in-breath. Reach through the fingertips. Exhale, bring the hands to prayer position, heart center. Good job. Now we'll do it 2 more times, and we'll do it with each breath. So inhale, come up, bring the arms up. Exhale, engage the quadricep muscles, lift the kneecaps, fold forward, hinge from the hips. Inhale, come up, lift and lengthen. Bring the shoulder blades together. Exhale, fold forward again. Slowly roll up on your in-breath, one vertebrae at a time. Bring the arms up, hands to prayer position. Exhale, bring them to heart center. Good job. One more time. Inhale, bring the arms up. Look up at the hands. Exhale, fold forward. Come up halfway, lift and lengthen on your in-breath. Engage the core, engage the quadricep muscles. Exhale, fold forward. Roll yourself back up, one vertebrae at a time. Arms up, hands together into prayer position. Exhale, just bring the hands to heart center. Well done. Now for sun salutations B. Inhale, bring the arms up, lean back. Fold forward on your exhale. Reach towards your toes. Pedal your feet back and forth. Just sink into the pose. This time, step the right foot back. Going into a high lunge. Just sink into the pose. Frame that left foot with your hands. Step that left foot back. Make your way into downward facing dog. Let the head hang heavy. Engage the core. Lift the hips up. Push the shoulders down towards the floor. You can pedal the feet. Come from one side to the other. Just push one heel to the floor, then the other. And make your way to plank or kneeling plank. Reach back through the heels. Have the shoulders relaxed. Exhale. Slowly come down. Inhale, make your way into up dog. Push yourself up, come up on the tops of the toes. Shoulder blades come together, pushing all 10 toenails into the mat. Tuck your toes under. On your next in-breath, make your way back to downward facing dog. Hips up, shoulders down. The lowest ribs that you have, pull those in towards your spine. That should create some space for you to push your shoulders down. Walk that right foot back up. Grab it, pull it up if you need to. Make your way back to a high lunge. Reach back through that left heel. Slowly bring that left foot up. Go into a forward fold. Roll yourself up on your in-breath. Arms up. Lean back. Exhale to chair. Have your knees come straight out. Put your weight in your heels. Bring your pelvis back. When you're in chair, make sure your knees come straight out over your ankles. The hips come back. Pull the pelvis in. Inhale, come up. Lean back. On your exhale, hinge from the hips. Fold forward. On your exhale, hinge from your hips. Fold forward. Reach towards your toes. Engage your core. Pedal the feet if you like. And then step your left foot back. Make your way to a high lunge on the left side. Just sink into the pose. Reach through that back heel. Bring both hands to the mat. Step the right foot back. Just go into downward facing dog. Hips come up, shoulders come down. Pushing the shoulders into the floor. Just push one heel to the floor, then the other. On your in-breath, bring yourself to plank or kneeling plank, whichever your body needs. Squeeze your elbows into your sides. Slowly come down. Inhale. Come up to up dog or cobra. Just let your toes come out back behind you. Pushing your toes into the floor. Tuck your toes under. Go back to downward facing dog. Hips come up, shoulders come down. Let your head hang heavy. Just pedal your feet. Push one heel to the floor, then the other. Step the left foot forward, making your way into a high lunge. When you're ready, walk your right foot up. Just make your way to a forward fold. Slowly roll yourself up, one vertebrae at a time. Arms up. Come back. And then exhale to chair. Good job. Now that we have the hang of it, we can just go breath by breath. So on your in-breath, come up, lean back. Exhale, hinge from the hips, fold forward. Activate the quadricep muscles, engage the core. Step the right foot back. Go to a high lunge. Step the left foot back. Go to downward facing dog. Hips up, shoulders down. On the next in-breath, come to plank or kneeling plank, reaching back through the heels. Hug the elbows into the sides as you slowly come down. Inhale up into up dog, pushing all 10 toenails into the floor. Let the head fall back. Go into down dog. Hips up, shoulders down. Let the head hang heavy. Step that right foot forward. Go into a high lunge. Then join it with that left foot. Make your way to a forward fold. Engage the core. Engage the quadriceps. Let yourself fold forward. Slowly roll yourself up. Arms up. Lean back. Exhale right back to chair. Knees come straight out. Hips come back. Put a lot of the weight in the heels. Inhale up. Lean back. Exhale, hinge from the hips, folding forward, reaching towards the toes. Step the left foot back. Make your way to a high lunge. Bring the right foot back on the exhale. Inhale, make your way to plank. Exhale, come down to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale up to up dog. Make your way back to down dog on your exhale. Inhale, bring that left foot back up. Go into a high lunge. Join it with your right foot. Exhale to a forward fold. Slowly roll yourself up on your in-breath. Inhale up, lean back. Exhale back to chair. Just sink into the pose. Come back to standing. And you just made it through the sun salutations. Well done. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please feel free to like, subscribe, share. You can check me out on Instagram as well. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.